Hey everyone! Today's topic for discussion is how to be successful in business. Number 1, clear idea means what you want to do. Number 2, find uniqueness. Once you have decided that you want to go with this or that idea, then try to find uniqueness in that idea so that you can rank your idea. Number 3, make a business plan. Now take practical steps to execute your idea or an effort to make your dream come true. For example, expense calculation, inventory management, capital arrangements, etc. Number 4, register your business fulfills all government-level formalities to register your business. And if you want to run your business online, such as in marketplaces, then you have to fulfill all formalities to register your business in any particular marketplace. Number 5, marketing maximum market your business. If you find it informative, then share it with others. Thank you for your time.